at the color on these tomatoes.
We should buy some for the sauce tonight. I'll take these ones right here.
Hey.
You got it. Freshly caught this morning. I would like that piece right there, please.
Excellent choice. Coming right up.
I've come to collect the chicken, please.
Here you are. Careful, it's still warm.
Thank you. Grandpa? Grandma? I didn't expect you tonight.
We couldn't wait another day, dear.
It's so good to see you safe. I'm so glad you're finally here.
We missed you dearly. It's wonderful to see you safe.
Oh, darling, there you are.
Auntie?
It's good to see you safe.
You really outdid yourself with this feast, Mother. I'm just happy you all enjoy it. Eat up now. She's right. Let's dig in while it's warm.
Gather round the firelight, dancing in the fading.
That was a beautiful dance. We'll never forget this night.
Me too. Thank you for coming.